Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:15 a.m. At 5:22 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Friendship to 6 miles north of Reedsburg, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wisconsin Hills, Lake Delton, Partyville, Montello, Moccasin, Westfield, Princeton, Ryle, Green Lake, Cambria, Lawrence, Pequawkee, Manchester, Waukeena, Macon, Oxford, Endeavor, and Neshcorno. This includes the following locations: Mirror Lake State Park, Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Kilbourne Dam, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant, and Potnoy Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio WXJ87 in Madison. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Columbia.